To be able to play content in Elango without an internet connection, select the function Save Offline. Click on the three-dot menu of the desired file, then on Save Offline. The materials saved offline are available in the main menu, under My Bookmarks and Offline Content. Under the Offline Content tab, you can see all the files you have saved. You can also sort them by book title or media type. Content on Elango, both from the digital edition and from the Digital Teaching Plus, can be saved offline. They are then stored in the browser cache on your device. Please note, make sure that you remain logged into Elango and do not delete the cache. Content on Elango can be bookmarked using the Bookmark button. All bookmarked content is available under My Bookmarks and Offline Content, so that you can find and access it quickly. No more lengthy searches. With Elango, you can reliably find important content again, with or without an internet connection.